Let me get my UK stocks up. It took a couple of minutes to come in. I think Rolls-Royce was stopped for a couple of minutes yesterday morning. Let's see if it's stopped again today. $83.5. There we go. Ooh. Okay. HSBC's up, but that was down a big yesterday. I thought about selling off last night, about 84, but it came back pretty sharpish, so I bought it because I was going to hit up Tesla, but it didn't go up anyway, so that's fine. Again, it's not done anything. Okay, what's Barclays doing? Talk about uncertainty. HSBC's up, but that's because it's way down yesterday. Like way down. Oil is down again, is it? Royal Dutch is up. BP's down. AstraZeneca keeps climbing, slowly but surely. So does GlaxoSmithKline. They've both climbed recently. But nothing is going on here. Nothing. It was a good day yesterday. Although it only went up 1%, it never really dipped below my line, which is good news, I think. Which is very good news. But again, it looks like they've stopped Rolls-Royce for the first couple of minutes. I don't know who does that, whether it's like the exchange itself, the independent body that runs it or whatever. I don't know. IAG. This is a strange old one. See, it's not, there's no sharp, oh my goodness. I was about to say there's no sharp increases. There it is. But we're only looking at maximum, like 1.5% or 1.1%. It's very quiet this morning. Very quiet. Partly due to the uncertainty, partly because it's been crazy the last few days. Where stocks are going up 5-6%, which just doesn't happen usually. Like every stock, like all of these stocks were going up massively. It was crazy. So we'll just wait and see what happens with Rolls-Royce. So Barclays is now slightly up. Aston Martin is slightly down. HSBC is up a lot, but that's because, as I say, it went down lows yesterday for some reason. Adidas is up. These are the American ones. That's fine. Okay, so it's slow. It's slow, very slow. Which we don't mind. We don't mind. Just let's see what happens with old Rosie. I don't know, maybe it's just 5 minutes in, maybe. I don't know. Not sure. Not sure what's going on. S&P 500. Oh my goodness. 79. I really wanted to cash out last night as well. That's really frustrating. Having said that, if it comes straight, it's because I'm at 80. Oh, it's come straight back. Okay, don't worry about it. Doesn't matter. I would have been too slow. Wow. Oh no. Oh, I should have done bottles. But I mean, a one extra 1 point isn't massive, really. You know what I mean? It's not massive, really. So it's not too bad. Although if it keeps going down, again I believed in the stock too much. Having said that, look at this. S&P 500 is up. The FTSE 100 is up. And my boy Rolls Royce is down. Frustrating. I mean, if it dips below 79, I'll be really disappointed. But I would have bottled it anyway. I would have gone straight back in and probably like around here. It's too good to be true. It was too good to be true. But then that small, I mean, it's 300 quid I could have made. 400 quid. I could have gotten it at 79, which as I say is 2 points, 1.7 points lower. It's very small margins, to be honest. If it goes back up over here today, then it doesn't matter too much, really. You can never know what it's going to do. So, I mean, just look at IAG up to 103. That's unbelievable. It was down like 90, just literally. When was this? Tuesday? Whenever lockdown was announced. Oh, Monday. 80.3. Yeah, it's above 80 already. Roughly. It usually after about 25 minutes in just suddenly just takes off. That's what happened last couple of days. AIG is at 4. It's not up 4% today, is it? What does it come in as? Oh, I suppose if it came in here. Nah, it's not 4%. Let me refresh. It's just come straight back down. Oh, Barclays has dropped off slightly. Aston Martin, what's Aston Martin doing? What the heck? What is that? That is just disgusting, isn't it? That is disgusting. It has no idea what it's doing. Yeah, look at 81.1. Oh my days, it's shooting up. Look at that, back already over. So we don't mind that at all. We don't mind that. Little 10-minute glitch, doesn't matter. Imagine if I've overslept and I would have sold out. Nah, it's not worth it. Not worth it. Because next time I'll do it, it won't pay off. Okay, whoa. HSBC's now up. Oh, United was up. Aston Martin stays up. Barclays is doing its thing. Obviously, Rolls Royce is down for the moment. IAG. Oh, who knows? Top winners. Who's top winner? Twitter. Oh, it's shot back up. Oh no. What was it on? Actually, it's on my watch list on. Because it dropped massively. It's at the bottom, I think. Or is it on popular? Oh no, it's Facebook. Hopefully it's here. Here it is. 42.75. It's only come up from 39. It was on 52. Oh, that's going to shoot back up today, isn't it, basically? Basically what this means is that it's going to shoot back up today. It's up 13%. But this one was at 40. This dropped more. That was one. That was an in. That was a sew in, wasn't it? Oh, for 13%. That's really interesting. Because I feel like it was an easy one to go for. But which one do you go for? They all got up for. To be fair, they've all got 12%, 13%. Nvidia, Apple. It's gone up 10%. Does that mean the US stocks are going to follow suit? I don't really know. I imagine so. Unless something really kicks off. Yeah, basically all the short stocks now down. That makes sense. $80.8. Yeah, not bad. We'll take it. As long as it doesn't shoot down to well below 80, we're all good. It's 78.9, but that was literally first minute when it came back. So, and the second minute. But what's 2 minutes when you're trying to play the long game, eh? I think I'm looking to cash. I mean, realistically, I want to cash at like 160, but that's. I don't know. We don't know. It's obviously not going to happen today, but the really weird thing is that because it came back so quickly, just about a month ago now, it's like, can I do it again? Probably not, because I had a load of issues, like wanted to raise 2 billion. But you expect it to go over 100. You expect it to happen pretty quickly. I would expect it to happen potentially before the end of this month. Definitely before Christmas, unless there was a major thing that happened. I could be wrong, and I don't really know what I'm talking about, but that's my guess. So if you came in at 80, you're still looking at. But then, annoyingly enough, from the first day I've been in this, it's still not above what I was, because I was an idiot. Wonder why I did it. I panicked. Because if I came in at, I wouldn't have come in at like 66, which was the lowest, but 75 was very doable. Between 70 and 75 was very doable. And all of a sudden you're doubling your money between 140 and 150, rather than having to wait to 160. That's the thing. Oh wow. Honestly, I don't know how this stock is rising, considering what's going on, because this is a airline company, or a company that owns loads of airlines, BA for example. I reckon about 27 minutes in it will start shooting up again. That's my guess. That's what it's done the last couple of days. Oh, Barclays has taken a dive, but Rolls-Royce hasn't, which is massive, which is really good for me. Because I want to stay above mine or in and around mine for as long as possible. I don't want it to go down because then I just feel bad, you know. Because then you feel like you can sell off and then buy in lower, and it's just a whole new thing. Although it's having a couple of reds. Oh my goodness, Barclays just taken. Oh my goodness. So instead of going up for 15 minutes, it's just absolutely rocketed down. They've all taken a dive. Every single one except HSBC or Tesco and Ocado. But they're grocery shopping. They've all taken a slight dip though. Oh, here we go. Sugar. Oh, that's disappointing. Ah, crap. It's going to be a bad day, boys. It's going to be a bad day. Because this is not stopping. This is not stopping. It's been so high recently. Like the week is 4.7% up. The month is 10% up. Oh, yeah, you love to see a bit of green. Just to halt the run a little bit. 80. I don't mind it. Don't mind it yet. I'd say below 79 we start to be disappointed. Although you should never be disappointed. But you know, 109.28, 109.20, yeah, it's still rocketing down. Fuck. So it has followed suit, just a little bit of a delay on it. What is taking a dive then? FTSE 100? Maybe it's the pound. I don't know what the pound does. I don't know if I can see that. Oh, ooh. It's showing signs of a little bit of life. I say that, it's really not. At least that stopped the run. I don't mind that. Love that a little bit. IAG back down to oh, look at this. I think I should cash, but I just don't want to be honest. I just don't want to. Because it's up. Nah, this will come down. This will come down. Just one of those days. It happens. It happens. It happens. I don't think it's worth it. Certainly not now. While it's just staying there. It is showing signs of life. Just a touch. That's demand's weird. Just showing signs of life. It's rebelling a bit here, I think. Old Rolls-Royce, 80.2. A couple of greens. You love to see it. 85. What's happening here then? See, I thought this was just taking a massive dive, but it really hasn't. So unless it's the pound, potentially. Something's weakened, obviously. For them to all go like that, I assume something's weakened, like the pound or to the euro or something. Right, I've got to go. Catch you all later. Be live again, probably just before 8 o'clock again tomorrow. Rolls Royce, it's staying strong actually. Staying strong. I say that. It's